Alright, stage 6 of the Hard Rain campaign. First time attempting it. Really shitty teammates. Adrenaline shot.
Almost back to the boat.
Ammo.
What are we supposed to signal him with?
Pipe bomb here if anyone needs a pipe bomb.
Sign, Virgil might see.
Alright, let's go. You got the gas? Cool.
Reload.
Signal the boat with the burger tank sign? What the hell? The hell's burger tank? I like how we're very slow because it's all flooded, but the zombies are just as fast. Doesn't even make sense. First aid over here.
Hold on, can I heal?
Easy, watch it, Virgil.
Great, here we go.
It's on. First aid kit.
There's another first aid down here. I don't know why the hell the stupid computer didn't take it.
That ain't right for a man to be written like that.
Well, he's dead. Well, that's what he gets for going off by himself. I only warned him 700 times about it. Just try to get on the roof if you can. The ladder should be right behind you, dude. Oh my god.
Get up. Come on now. Get up.
Alright, follow us up to the roof, dude. Tank coming. I see him. I got boomer bile. I hit him with it. He's coming. Look out, dude. Oh my god, why are you not on the roof? The tank is toast. I hear another wave coming.
Boy, I'm willing to show you fast.
I'm not gonna miss this fucking scrub ass. Oh, jockey! And I fell off the roof. I'm fucked. Unless Rochelle comes after me, I'm completely fucked. Unbelievable. Another tank? Are you shitting me? Where is he? What? Oh my god, dude. That's ridiculous. A smoker from full fucking screen gets me when I'm trying to attack the tank. I'm dead. To do this over. I'm fucking dead. You guys aren't even trying to help. One fucking scrub and a dumbass computer-controlled helper. My God. Unbelievable.
All right, thanks. Come on now. Got no time for this. Get up.
Might be still health in here. Nope, no health left. Pills. Double pop. Oh look, a tank just appears in front of me and hits me. I'm fucked. I can't go through the window. There we go. Oh look, a pipe bomb. Oh my God. She's got, oh yes, the tank hits me from full screen.
Oh, I need some help!
Let's get your ass up.
Is the fucking boat ever gonna come?
I ain't dead yet.
Holy shit, dude. Rochelle, why is computer-controlled Rochelle not shooting the charger? She's doing nothing to help me. Look at this shit. Computer-controlled Rochelle is so good, she walked away. Look, oh, now the rescue boat arrives. And now computer-controlled Rochelle is down. Oh my God. What great fucking AI. Oh my God, and this guy fucking escapes, and nobody else. Wow, dude. So, bottom line, you need to find a team of decent people to play this game with, because you see what happens if you have scrubs or people who don't know what they're doing. They don't help you, they drop out, computer-controlled AI is horrendous and doesn't help you at all. She fucking left me lying on the ground dying, when all she needed to do was help me up and we could have saved him and all survived. Instead, she ran off, saved him, and he ran off and saved his own ass and got the achievement. So, fucking bullshit. Unbelievable. So, next campaign I'm going to start up and try to get another new team, because obviously there's no one here that knows what the fuck they're doing. Get all the way to the end and then don't fucking survive. Yo, fuck both you guys. You both suck monkey balls. Fucking terrible. Alright, let me see if I can get a new lobby going.